Hey guys, I might burp sometimes. I'm gonna keep eating this until I burp. Oh man, I didn't burp yet. This may take a long time. Dad, I'm recording. My dad wants me to record this, so I'm recording and I'm gonna be burping. Now I'm gonna be burping. I'm burping. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm not using a spoon anymore. I also have food. See, it's white rice. I'm gonna be. Oh, come on. Alright guys, that's enough burping for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about burping. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Part 2 of burping. I'll make a part 2 soon and a part 3. If you guys want a part 4, make sure you like. But this is part 1. If you want part 2, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell. And if you want a part 2, hit that like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And if you want a part 3 and part 4, if you want a part 2, part 3, part 4, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell, and yeah. Wait, I'm gonna burp one more time. Oh wait. You know what's making me burp? This soda monkey yogurt. It was that. It was making me burp. I gotta eat more. I can't. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Boop, boop, boop. Hey, Dad. Told you I was recording. See? Yeah, I'm recording. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, bye, bye. Wait. Good thing my dad burped. See you guys tomorrow. Okay.